Hi friends, how are you all? So happy Father's Day to all. So today let's make a greeting card for our father. So let's start. So first take any color sheet of your favorite and fold it into half and then cut it into equal parts as shown. Now we have to make the corners as curve shape. And then cut it. Now as we have cutted this sheet into half, so we have to paste it again and be careful while pasting it and keep a newspaper at the bottom so that the base may not get dirt. Now make a rectangle shape as shown and cut it. Then the other half which we had cutted at the first, take it and fold it 3 times like this. And remember, the width of the piece which you have folded 3 times should be more than the rectangle which we had cutted in the card. Now insert this rectangle sheet into the card. Like this. Now take a red sheet and draw a heart shape on it and cut it. Then we have to cut this heart shape as it is broken like this. Now take this card and paste these heart shapes as shown. And we have to paste the paper at the back so that it would be visible in the front. And now we can write any note which we want to tell to our father at the paper which we had pasted. Done. You can make some other designs on the outer part of the card.